This video briefly explains how to download a quick patch or fix if you're not able to print from your MacBook. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we go to the school district's homepage, which is www.gkbschools.org. And then we're going to come over here and click on Technology. And right here in the center is a link that says click here to download Macbook Printer Fix. So we're going to click that, and when we click that, that just takes us to a wiki where we can click on this file right here. It's FW client package zip file, and then it will download. When it downloads, what you're going to need to do is come down here, click on the Finder, and a new Finder window comes up. That's what this is here. And we just want to make sure that we click under Places under your username. So mine says KM Smith, yours will say whatever your username is. Then we're going to double click to open the Downloads folder, and we see fwclient.pkg. We're going to open that, and that brings up this install wizard. We're going to hit continue, and continue again, we're going to agree, continue, and finally install. This box is going to pop up asking for credentials. Your name should appear in the name box already. So all you need to do is enter your password that you use to log on to your MacBook and hit OK. And it'll go through and say the installation was successful. And all you have to do is hit close and you're done. You can close all these windows out and be back to the Garrett Kaiser Butler homepage and go about your business. Now, after the installation is finished, it could take up to 30 minutes before the printers show up and you're able to actually print and things will work. And if you do this and you're not here at school, the printers obviously won't work and you won't be able to use those until you come back to school and turn your MacBook on. As always, if you have any problems or issues, you can visit the website, click Technology, and then click Submit a Help Desk Ticket, and we'll be glad to help you through those. Thank you.